Aerox Accessories Part 10. Hey guys, what's up? In front of you are some beautiful levers for your Aerox stock replacement levers. Our stock replacement levers are basically they are aluminium, and they if you dry it for a long time your fingers tend to get black because that's a trademark of aluminium. It leaves a little bit about color after a long use. So these are your CNC levers. This 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 and this is your KTC lever. This over here is a RCB lever. Now the basic difference between these levers in the RCB and the KTC are that the RCB lever comes with a brake lock. In the previous generation Aerox, which up to 2022-23, there was a yoke which was easily above, you can fit it and then you can use this as a brake lock. But unfortunately now they have changed the yoke. The Yamaha company has changed the yoke, and so this lever becomes pretty much useless. You can't use the brake lock. Yes, you can use the lever, but not you can't use the brake lock. And there is a particular yoke that comes that you can fit, and then again you can use this, but there's a lot of alterations required to that. Now the KTC levers come in black, gold, orange, and a maroon, and they come with these rubber or silicone lever covers, and thus it gives a nice grip to your levers. I mean, you can put this, you don't want to put it, up to you. It will definitely increase the lifespan of your levers. But these are anyway CNC, they are rust free, and they will never, the color will not go off, and they will not leave any kind of black marks or any residue on your hands. So the RCB also comes in similar colors: maroon, a black, a silver, a blue, and a gold. And so does the KTCs. Unfortunately, I did not get a blue color in my KTC, but the rest of the colors are in front of you. So these are stock replacement levers. You just have to remove your stock lever and put this. ये आपके stock levers है, stock replacement levers है. आपको आपके stock levers निकालने हैं और इसको डाल सकते हैं. Plug and play है, कोई alteration का जरूरत नहीं है. RCB में ब्रेक लॉक आता है, बट KTC में ब्रेक लॉक नहीं आता है. दे आर साइज एडजस्टेबल. बेसिकली आप इसको ये पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन से आप लीवर को आगे या पीछे कर सकते हो एज पर योर हैंड साइज. तो आपको जहाँ पे उसको रखना है, आप वो हिसाब से आपको लीवर को पोजीशन पे रख सकते हो. ये KTC और RCB दोनों में है, and you can that way put the lever in the position as per your convenience. Okay guys, so it's a pretty useful product, and